Now class 10th, in this video we'll discuss the assignment questions from the Merchant of Venice drama, Act 3, Scene 4. The first question is, what does she want to do until the return of Gratiano and Bassanio? The answer is, Portia and Nerissa have pledged to live alone until the return of their husbands. They will spend their time in prayer. Now we come to the second question. Lorenzo, Madam, with all my heart I shall obey you in all fair commands. Now this is the speech of Lorenzo. The question is, where are the speakers now? What has Portia asked Lorenzo to do? The speakers are now in a hall in Portia's house. Portia has asked Lorenzo to look after the house during Bassanio's absence, as she is also going to a convent for prayers. Now we come to the third question. Portia is ready to leave her house. What does she tell Lorenzo and Jessica? Where is she actually going? Portia tells Lorenzo and Jessica to look after her house, and that her people means servants, could obey them as their masters in her absence. She is actually going to Venice to defend Antonio as a lawyer in male attire. Male attire मतलब disguised as a मेल लॉयर, क्योंकि पोर्शिया डिस्गाइज में लॉयर की डिस्गाइज में जाती है और एंटोनियो को सेव करती है. Now we come to the fourth question. What does she tell Nerissa later? She tells Nerissa that they are leaving for Venice in male dresses. She will be a lawyer and Nerissa her clerk. She says she will explain to her the whole plan on the way. Now we come to the fifth question. How does Lorenzo describe Portia in the beginning of the scene? Lorenzo says that Portia has a correct idea of divine and noble friendship. She is patiently bearing the sorrow of separation from her husband. However, if she knew the man Antonio, whom she thus honors, and how true gentleman he is, what a dear friend of her husband he is, to whom she has sent help, she would feel prouder of this work than her ordinary acts of kindness. पोर्शिया एक्चुअली पर्सनली एंटोनियो को नहीं जानती थी, बट मैंने आपको बताया था सीन के एक्सप्लेनेशन पार्ट में कि पोर्शिया लेटर ऑन शी विल फील प्राउड कि उसने जो भी एक्शन किया बाय सेंडिंग हर हस्बैंड बेसानियो टू हिज फ्रेंड एंटोनियो टू सेव हिम, तो वो पोर्शिया बाद में उसको प्राउड फील होगा इस चीज़ के लिए. सो दिस इज द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. नाउ वी कम टू द सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इंफॉर्मेशन डज पोर्शिया गिव टू नेरिसा? इन व्हाट मूड इज पोर्शिया व्हेन शी इज स्पीकिंग टू नेरिसा? Portia tells Nerissa that both of them are going to Venice to defend Antonio against Shylock. Portia and Nerissa will be disguised as men in men's attire. Portia will act as a young lawyer and Nerissa as a clerk. Portia is in a very optimistic and flamboyant mood when she speaks to Nerissa. Now we come to the seventh question. Now in the seventh question, how will Portia try to look more manly? Portia will wear her dagger in a more suitable and dashing manner. She will speak in a sharp voice, suiting a lad who is growing from boyhood into manhood. She will take one long step like a man instead of two short steps like a woman. Now the last question is, where does Portia plan to go and for what purpose? She plans to go to Venice to defend Antonio against Shylock as a lawyer in male attire. So these were the questions for the assignments. I have discussed the answers. Now you have to write all these answers, question and answers in your assignment copy. Thank you, students.